Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Pet Cloud app review to see if it worth using. So let's get started about the in-depth review about the Pet Cloud mobile app. The Pet Cloud mobile app is a helpful all-in-one platform for pet owners looking for trusted services like pet sitting, walking, grooming, and boarding. Through the app, you can browse verified carers, check reviews, book appointments, and pay securely, all while accessing the 24/7 support and insurance coverage for added peace of mind. Many users praise its clean interface and the convenience of managing all pet care needed in one place, making it especially valuable for busy owners or frequent travelers. On the downside, availability can vary depending on your location. Some premium service are top-rated carers may comes with higher cost. A few users also mentioned occasional delay in customer support response. And here's a viral intake about the mobile app platform. It's worth it if you want a trusted, convenient way to book pet services, but double check local coverage and pricing before committing into the platform. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button and subscribe for more. Thanks.